What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's FFDev here, and this is going to be a shorter video, but in this video I was going to cover one thing for you and go ahead and tell you guys we're going to be doing the text-based game in the console window. But one topic I want to cover first for you guys is Boolean and also scope. So bool or Boolean can either be true or false, so this will be the name for like your game. I'll throw you guys a bone. Or the name for a boolean for when you're playing the game. So you can put bool is playing is equal to true. And all a boolean is a variable that can be true or false. And also we'll cover scope really quickly. See how this is outside the main function. Anything inside of a function is stuck in that function. So if I could actually do this and this would be illegal. And these are two different variables. This is a local variable. This is a global variable. But besides that, what we're going to do, so if you want something to be accessed by multiple functions, you're just going to go ahead and put it on the outside. So we'll just put this as a global variable for now. And it either returns a 1 or a 0. A 0 is if the condition is false, and 1 if it is true. And we can check this by putting std cout is playing. We don't need a new line or anything. Alright, so since this is true, it should return a 1. As you see, we got a 1 there. Change it to false. It's going to return a 0. But it's just more convenient than using an integer or anything, and there's a few other things you can do with it. So like naming it, like it's playing is a good way to check. I'm gonna show you guys, throw you guys a bone. Since in the next episode I'm gonna be showing my text-based game, I'm challenging you guys to create your own text-based game. But I'm gonna throw you guys a bone here and show you guys a little secret. Now, it's not even really a secret, just a way to keep your loop going. So let's say we'll use a while loop. And you can just type in while is playing. While saying this is the same as saying while playing is true. It's the same as this. But if you wanted it to be false, you can actually just put exclamation. So it's like while not is playing. But we're going to put while is playing. And now this will run until that variable is false. I don't know why this is way over here. We're going to try this again. There we go. I don't know what was up with it before. Alright, so we're going to need a way to exit out of this. So we're going to say std, let's give us another variable. We're going to make this an integer and we're going to call it choice. We're going to put it equal to 0. And then what we're going to essentially do here is we're going to take the input from it as std choice. And then we're going to say if, add an if statement, we'll say if choice is equal to 8. Why not 8? Then we'll say is playing is equal to false. So now we're going to start this up and it's going to stay in this while loop until choice is not equal to 8. And we're given the answer. So let's go ahead and just, I love keeping these little bugs in the videos. Not even a bug, just an error I made. Forgot to establish this or initialize this to true, so I didn't run it all. Alright. So we're going to put 1, 2, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6. See, it just keeps taking it until we hit 8, which makes this is playing be set to false, and so it exits the loop and then returns. But I believe we can do this another way. Instead of putting equals false, let's put a not is playing if it's equal to 8. Well, I forgot my semicolon. We're gonna get an error. Alright. So let's type in 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Let's enter 8. Oh, guess I can't do it that way. can do it this way. I've actually never tried it this way. Yep, we can do it this way. So is playing equals not is playing. And that would work, but personally, I find it easier to just do it that way. Is playing equals false. It's a pretty straightforward name for the variable. And so this should be enough to get you guys started. And throw you in one more thing here. We'll just go ahead and get a string called name. And what we'll do before the while loops, you want to enter in your character's name. So then we'll say std cout name, make a choice. I forgot those little arrows. I'm good at doing that. Alright, so when it first starts up, before it goes into a while loop, it's going to tell us to enter a name. Billy. It's going to say Billy, make a choice. It's going to keep saying that. I'm just doing this as an example. Show you guys how the basic game loop can work. If you guys have any questions below, put them in the comments. And if you haven't already, subscribe. And if you guys make any of these games, I'd love to see your games. So just let me know in the comments below, and I'll be showing you my game in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Later.